Hi everyone, it's Lindsay. Welcome back to another quick deal with it video. Today I want to share with you how I clean up glitter and embossing powder. So I've shared this in a lot of videos, but I wanted to share it in its own little video. But a lot of times when I'm using embossing powder or glitter, it kind of gets everywhere. This is a little dramatic here. I just poured some out onto my craft mat. But what I like to do, even with just a little bit, is take this little pet hair cleaner. You can find these at Target, at Walmart. I got it because I have a cat, but then I found a better use for it in my craft room, so that's where it lives now. But it just cleans up your glitter and embossing powder beautifully. I don't like to use the little lint cloths. I know they work for a lot of people, but a lot of times I'm working on my silicone mat, which is my Imagine Craft mat. So it really wants to stick to that. It's just kind of like a magnet for my glitter and my embossing powder. So this does not allow it to stick. It just picks it up. You can see it cleaning it up. And then once it's full and it's not sticky anymore, you can just tear it off and you've got a whole new one ready to go. Now, not only does this work for your glitter and your embossing powder, but I've spilled a little bit of sequins here and there, and maybe they've just kind of collected on the side of my desk or whatever. I use it to clean that up. I clean up things from my dies, like all the little pieces from my dies, especially if it's very intricate. I run this over my die to clean it up. It's just a nice little tool to have, and they're fairly cheap. You can find them at most stores that you go to. So to store this tool, I keep it on a pegboard. It has a little hole at the top, so all I do is attach a little hook to my pegboard and then just put it onto that hole, or the hole onto the, I guess the hook is what it would be. And then it just hangs there until I need it. And this little guy comes in so handy on so many occasions. Now, especially with embossing powder, you might be left with a little bit of residue, like a little bit of color, especially on your silicone mats. So I take a little bit of alcohol and clean up my mat once all the powder and glitter is actually off. And then you're not going to have that grainy texture when you're going and cleaning or anything like that, because all the powder is removed. It's just that leftover color. But once that's done, I'm ready to go on crafting, and I continued on with my little piece you see there, and then I remembered, oh yeah, I'm just sharing how to film cleaning up right now. I'm not going back to my project yet. That is going to do it for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoy my content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Happy crafting, everyone.